So we're on site today doing some cherry picker work, so they're all wrong. Some stuff needs to move about and they all need to move across a little bit so they're properly in line with those. So me and Darius, the plumber, here's my machine for the day. We're going to go up there and do that one next.
Second clip, mate. I'll probably do this one a couple higher just for when we change that one.
Roughly about there.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to come up. I'll get the
So a common problem with these machines is they like to be on perfect surfaces. I've just driven around the corner onto what is a very muddy surface. So I've just sunk the wheels, managed to get them out. But to do that, I had to rotate the machine to move the weight of the machine. It's very important to keep moving the weight around and you'll find a point where it wants to, okay, I'll work again now. So I'm gonna try and get this piece out of here. She's stuck as a puck. So as much as I want to attempt to drive down there, I can just see it getting fucking stuck.
Yeah, I wouldn't bother.
Yeah. Big enough ruts as it is, and it's really not my problem. It's a cloudy but beautiful day. Who wants to buy these houses? They're an absolute bag. Another beautiful sunny day here in Gloucester. Do some more brickwork. Let's swing this puppy over here. Rotate. Designate. Got the sun there. I'll be working on these today. Do some bit of filler work in and around that. That one up there. Bit of filler work. Got some muck down here. We got the sun shining. Yeah. It's a beautiful sunny day in Gloucester. roofer's been in and he's roofed that up, done his lead work. Good job, one man just did that in like 2 hours. Not fucking about, I think he wants to go home. Shitbox. Still, that garden with the weird fence around it just doesn't make sense. We could have just put a gate there. Through this pole, over the top of that one, and through that one. Fuck me, the weather's so nice it could be mid-July right now.
It feels unreal. Close I'm getting it. Doesn't help that someone's blown the brick.
About this afternoon, so we're back down here. We're gonna just pop that, put that one on. We're gonna come and put this one on, and then like things like this one, that's gas, so it's different, same guy, different job though. We're doing with water at the moment. But yeah, super sunny on site. Scaffolding's all gone now that was there. Can't do any downpipes on this one because the building needs to be fucking rendered. So no downpipes there. I spoke to the site manager and he said he was going to get some trackpad out here today. Yeah, that didn't happen. But when I did go into the office, he was snoozing at his desk. So, yeah, I guess he's a busy boy. Yeah, so with Darius, he's just gone to chat with his boss. Everything's good with the machine, making ruts everywhere. Let's have a quick look inside these block of flats. So this is a new build. Oh, first thing I've seen. It's not level. That is as soon as you walk in and it's not level. Huh. That doesn't surprise me though, I'll be quite honest. New build, so listen to this. Every wall is hollow, no insulation anywhere. Oh, that's your new build, that's your 300 plus grand for this. So this, I guess, is a medium, supposed to be a medium double or a large single, not sure. All right, that's the single and this is your double. Wow. 300, 200 something thousand for this dump. Standard take kitchens, as I keep seeing everywhere else, so they must have a deal on. All these building suppliers must be going to the same people for the same design as well as the same building. Another standard thing you'll see here, see this mark? That's because this is plasterboard and it's had a paint coat. No plaster. No. You'd be extremely lucky if you get plaster in a new build in England. No, they just put the plasterboard up and then paint a coat of paint on it, and that's it. That's it, that's the quality you're getting. No push-ups, nothing like that. It's appalling, mate. It's appalling. And I'll tell you what, this building has 4 floors and not a single elevator. How's about those apples? Yeah, I wouldn't be moving in, I'll tell you this much. Oh, garden? God, there's no gardens here. It's a flat. And even though this one is a flat on the ground floor, you still get a barrier right there, even though it's on the ground floor. Just to make you feel like you're in prison. Alright, they're all the same in this building. Crap. Just to show you. Yeah, the painter's gone home already. He's like, fuck, look at this. Nearly tiled. I do like the tile. I do like the big tiles, but yeah, there's a butt to everything. Yeah, another kitchen. No soft closers. Just bangers. Just door bangers. No soft closers. Here's Darius talking to his boss. This one's a bit bigger. It has got a bigger living room, clearly. But this is your living and dining room, let's not forget that. Living and dining room. And it might look big on film, but honestly, by the time you got your furniture in, the rest of your kitchen crap in, a table, you put a sofa in here, you got it's crap. Honest to God. And that's your modern day home though. Oh, another wall. Listen. Hollow. No insulation, just a bit of stud, plasterboard, and a bit of paint. Not even plaster. New builds are us. But that's some nice copper work. Quite like that. Done a nice job there. Gas world, well done. Still got to do the ceilings, but it's not finished, but that does look fucking good. That's one thing they have done right, it's done all the drinking and water in copper. Some ground workers over there doing groundwork stuff, digging up holes they've already buried. Because that's what groundworks is about. We'll come in, lay your road, and then we'll dig it up and stick a pipe under it. Does that make sense? Yes, that's it. Crystal maze of the back garden. That's what they do on every building site. Come in, lay roads on it, and then they'll just dig it all up again. Just to put a pipe underneath. You know, well, why didn't you do that in the first place, bud? Because on site, let's my goodies. So that's what I got when I was on site today, or sorry, yesterday. Whenever I go on site, I always ask the site manager I can go in the bin, taking his scrap wood and stuff like that. It's usually lots of wood like this, but got a few 2B3s here, and I'm guessing these were old ladders from the gable ends of garages. I think they were cut to the wrong size, so they just ended up in the bin. I took them out, and then yeah, quite a few lengths of 2B3, just got nails and stuff in them used for framing or whatever, but we'll get that in the workshop, get them de-nailed. Free timber, that's like just there alone, what was it, £6 a length, 2, 4, that's 6, 12, 24, so over 30 quid just in 4 pieces. Yeah, nice.